Dear teachers, parents and students of the Bharata Vidya Bhavan schools of the Coimbatore Kendra, I am very happy to interact with you all on this most auspicious day, January 12th, which marks the birthday of the great Swami Vivekananda. And the Government of India has declared this day as the National Youth Day. That is because Swami Vivekananda's appeal to the youth has always been creating a big impact among the youth. On this day, we need to recall the message of Swami Vivekananda. His concept of man-making education had always been the guiding principle of the Bhavan's education programs. Even in our own schools in Coimbatore, we have this course as Human Excellence, which is nothing but an expansion of Swami Vivekananda's concept of man-making education. And we all know that there is a slogan written in all our schools which goes to say that empower the youth to enrich the nation. All empowerment should ultimately go to enriching the society. And all children will have to be groomed to emerge as enlightened citizens to contribute their might to the huge task of nation building. Today I wish to give you 5 points which sums up the concept of man-making education as told by Vivekananda. First one is, you have to have a very big dream. In other words, you have to be very ambitious. You should not limit yourself to a mediocre dream. To the contrary, you must aspire for something big. Only then you will be able to achieve big things in life. Secondly, you got to have faith in yourself. If you have faith in yourself, you can do wonders. But if you think that you are not capable of anything, then believe me, you will get stagnated. To the contrary, you have to be positive all the time. You have faith in yourself. You must ask yourself a question. If I can't do it, who else can do it? The merciful God has given everything to you. And all you need to do is to meditate and find out your true self, which is nothing but the fact that you are infinite. The third point, very important, you got to work very hard. Hard work alone pays. There is no other shortcut for success. Unless you work hard, you cannot achieve anything big. The next point is you got to be very focused. That means you must have the ability to concentrate. There could be any amount of diversions in society, but if you have the will to concentrate, you can achieve it. Concentration is the secret for success, and Swami Vivekananda has always insisted on that. Finally, after having achieved an amount of success, you got to give back a part of it back to the society, which made you what you are. So these 5 points matter. I'll just quickly repeat it for you. Have a big dream, have faith in yourself, work very hard, be very focused, and ultimately be ready to share your success with the society. That is why we say empower the youth to enrich the society. You would have read this written in your schools all over. Empower yourself to enrich the nation. So on this most auspicious day, my message to you is, be a proud Indian. Be ready to sacrifice anything and everything for the well-being of India. India made you what you are. There is no country equal to India. There is no culture equal to India. Be proud. Develop a high sense of national pride. Read Vivekananda more often and go in deep into it. Then take it from me, success is sure and certain. With this, I wish you all a very happy day. Thank you very much.